Happy birthday, honey.
What can you do? Look at her door. Take her through. Goodbye. Walk through before she rips it. Mom, can you walk through with her?
Can you crawl?
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Okay, ready?